guys, Bleenders here, and last Friday after getting a loan to help pay for it a few weeks ago, and then also last Friday finally getting the title for it, I officially got my new car. Now in last Monday's video, and in other previous videos, I told you guys that I was going to be buying a 2014 Ford Focus SE for $8,500, and also in last Monday's video, I told you guys that I was going to give you guys a tour of the car. So today, just like I've done in the past with my two cars that I've owned previously, I'm going to show you guys my new car. So here's the outside of the car. There's the driver and passenger seats. There's the back seats. Here's the trunk. And finally, here's under the hood. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Be sure to put down in the comments below what you guys think of my new car. If you guys think it's better or worse than the two cars that I've had previously. In my opinion, I definitely think it's better. First of all, because of the tinted windows, which I think is really cool. And secondly, because of all the features that it has that I'm not used to using since I've owned older cars in the past. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video or later.